Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye. See you later. How is the weather today? How's the weather today? How's the weather today? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. How do you spell that? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I love you. I love you. I love you. How was your day? How was your day? How was your day? Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? I need your help. I need your help. I need your help. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? What do you like to do? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? How do I get there? How do I get there? How do I get there? I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling sick. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen? I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Can you show me? Can you show me? Can you show me? I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. Could you give me some money? Could you give me some money? Could you give me some money? I don't have any money. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Can you speak English?